Hello, my name is Kent Liston. Here is some media applications that help teachers address learning needs of students with technology resources. In a high school scenario where Mrs. R is preparing her students for state mandatory tests focused heavily on reading and literature, here are two resources that will promote a prepared environment for this testing. The first is ACT Academy. ACT Academy has a large number of resources and creates a flipped lesson that takes students through topics from start to finish with text, audio, video, interactive, and game-based content. Next, we have Elbert. Elbert is best used as a comprehensive and ongoing system of formative assessments in the classroom. It can be best used to create large summative assessments, customize assignments, allowing users to control the size and scope of tasks. These are the assessments and products I have found to assist the high school scenario.